Hi, this is John from the Appio team. In this tutorial I will explain to you the profile page of Appio App Builder platform. Once you log into the app.appio.me for the first time, you will be redirected to the profile page. To start using this platform, you must complete the essential section of your profile. Here you have to provide the developer name, or your name, or organization name. This will be used while creating the package name of your mobile application. Package name is a unique name assigned to your mobile application, which is used to identify your application on the Google Play Store. Here is an example. The Facebook app is identified using the following package name: com.facebook.katana. Once you submit this name, it cannot be changed. In case you want to change it, you can create a ticket using this support box. Now let's have a look at the general profile. Here you have to provide your name. If you want to get extended support, provide your contact details here. Our user growth team is committed to guide you until you start earning a minimum of $100 a month. They monitor your progress minutely. If you want our team to connect with you for one-on-one support, mention your accurate contact details here. The street address, city, state, zip details are optional. Here you have to select the country of your residence. You can submit the details using this submit button. Under the sensitive section, you can change your password. That's it for the profile page. Keep learning, keep earning.